By 2026, cities have transformed our daily lives. Streets equipped with IoT devices, smart transport systems, and drones make life safer and more convenient. Every device is interconnected, sensing the environment and adapting to our needs in real time.
Artificial intelligence has become our personal assistant. In 2026, it manages our schedules, provides reminders, and even aids in creative tasks. Each person's interaction with AI is intuitive, personal, and enhances productivity effortlessly.
Technology has revolutionized healthcare. Genetic diagnostics, robotic surgeries, and real-time monitoring systems ensure longer, healthier lives. By 2026, healthcare is personalized, precise, and accessible to everyone. Education in 2026 has reached a new level. Through virtual and augmented reality, students can learn interactively from anywhere in the world. Every lesson is experiential, engaging, and tailored to each student's needs. Technology is not just about convenience, but sustainability. By 2026, cities run on clean energy, waste is minimized, and eco-friendly transport keeps our environment healthy. The future is in our hands. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future. As we've seen, technology in 2026 is reshaping our cities, our homes, our health, and the way we learn and live. The possibilities are endless, and the future is brighter than ever. I'm Journalist Name, and from all of us here, stay curious, stay inspired, and don't forget to follow World24 for more updates. See you next time.